Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 Invalid Game Services Detected. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to open your Microsoft Store, click on Downloads, and then click here, check if there's any updates available. After you've done that, you want to exit out of this. You want to go to Search, open the Xbox app. Now you want to click on your profile, and then you're going to go to Support, and you want to click the Repair tool. And then you click start repairing and allow it, and let it repair the Xbox app. And after all of this is done, the last thing you should do is open the Windows PowerShell, but you want to open it as an administrator. And in here, you want to paste the code that I left you in the description. And after you paste this one, you want to do the same with the second one, and it will immediately open the gaming services, and you want to click install, and it will quickly install the gaming services again. And after it's installed, it should say it should be grayed out. After this is done, you want to close all of this and simply restart your PC. And after you restart your PC, your game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Forza Horizon 6 Invalid Gaming Services Detected, and that's how you install the latest version of gaming services. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.